And this time last year, restaurants say they lost all their ingredients due to the days-long power outages. Now, some restaurant owners say they've learned their lesson and are better prepared.
Local 23's Iris Karami went to speak to local businesses. She has more on their efforts.
We are just cleaning and throwing things out because we are still out of power.
Places like Snowbite and Far had to dispose of all their food last February due to power outages that lasted for days. It's a problem. Other local restaurants like Love Always Gifts in San Benito faced as well.
We were affected both at home and here. Even when the power did come back on, well, we came in to clean up because a lot of the food that was in our fridge, there was just no way we could serve that.
Lourdes Lucio owns Love Always Gifts and says since last year, she now has a generator for the shop.
That's one of the things that we know we've invested in for the shop in case things do happen like that ever again, then we're ready.
Lucio adds she has adjusted her appliances in case she has to rely on the generator.
And then I purposely have small refrigerators so that we can still be in business.
But Lucio says that though she's prepared for any power outage, she still has to deal with supply chain issues. To achieve these hot meals like this one right here on cold days like these, she says it's a mission and has to go to other cities just to find ingredients she needs.
So what I did is I changed my menu completely and based it and began to market only my sandwiches, only what I felt I could get my hands on.
The regional president of the National Food Association, Jerry Maddox, nods to Lucio's point, saying his restaurant went nearly 3 weeks before receiving more ingredients.
We didn't have pizza crust because the pizza crust is stuck somewhere in, the Midwest because they can't move.
Maddox says the struggles experienced by the restaurant industry since the beginning of the pandemic have worsened.
With the price of inflation, what we're paying for our food, how much we're paying to retain our labor in a national labor shortage, it's very tough. It's thriving is out of the question. Surviving is where we're at.
Putting local first, I'm Iris Karami.